Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply it about the product rule of derivative. So we have y equals to ab. If we do first derivative of y, we need to do first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So for this one, we have like this. So we need to do first derivative of s multiplied by this one. Later that we do first derivative of the square root multiplied by s. Next, we have the formula in here. That is about the square root. So if we have y equals to the square root of a, and now if we do first derivative of this one, we have first derivative of a over there over number 2 with the square root of a. Now for this one we have number 1. This one we continue doing first derivative of s squared plus 1 on numerator, and we have number 2 with the square root of s squared plus 1. First derivative of s squared, we have the formula in here. We can use about the power rule of derivative. So we have y equal to s to the power of n. So we have ns to the power of n minus 1. So this one we have 2s to the power of 2 minus 1. This one, that is about the constant. So you got 0 in here. So 2 minus 1, we have number 1. So we can write about s. Number 2 and number 2, we simplify. S and s, we have s squared. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.